Finally, the wait is over. The Galaxy Z Trifold is finally revealed in an event, and yes, it is finally coming. Although Z Fold 7 is on a really good deal from Samsung, which you can avail from product listed in this video. Samsung was going after trifoldable, and we already got a bunch of information. The official launch is coming somewhere at the end of this month, but Samsung showcased the Galaxy Z Trifold in a side event. This is the video showcasing the Galaxy Z Trifold. Now the phone was showcased under the glass, and we were expecting similar things on the main event because it will be a limited launch and we're not going to see this phone worldwide. The folding style is quite unique where both panels are folded inwards, which means if we have a separate cover display, which we have, then it will be on the side, not in the middle as leaked before. Because if it's in the middle, how can you use the cover display? I believe we have a cover display on the right side of the phone, as the Z Trifold should be folded from the left side and then from the right side, and we may have a cover display on the right side. Samsung will officially showcase the product in Apex Summit by the end of this month, and we're expecting to see the phone go on sale next month. Although, there's another mystery for the launch market, and I've got a bad news for you. Samsung is making a limited launch for a Z Trifold. According to Evan Blass, unfortunately for foldable enthusiasts, and despite recent rumors to the contrary, I think it's very unlikely that Samsung will release its first trifoldable phone beyond Korea, the greater Chinese market including Singapore and Taiwan, and possibly the UAE. I would love to be wrong though. This means there is no launch for the US? It would be a big disappointment for the people who were waiting for the launch of Galaxy Z Trifold in the US. Now, let's talk about the cameras and the battery of Galaxy Z Trifold. The cameras are where things are looking amazing for the Z Trifold. We saw 100x zoom option in the Z Trifold. This means till now, foldables don't have 100x zoom and used only 3x telephoto sensor. But Z Trifold will going to get a new and updated sensor to give us 100x zoom. Also, if you notice or not, we're going to get a 200 megapixel main sensor. This will complete this device. I mean, if you're paying that much amount of money, you will going to get everything premium. Still, there's a gap for durability because it's foldable. Else, Samsung is going right with this device of a Z Trifold. And matching the cameras with the S lineup would make this phone truly shine. 200 megapixel main sensor like the S25 Ultra and 100x zoom, which is only available on S lineup like the S25 Ultra and previous S lineup, would appeal to more people. But there is one downside: the price of this phone. There's another major update we got about the Z Trifold. Yes, we got the internal design of a Z Trifold, and it seems like Samsung is actually pushing Z Trifold. With the patent document, we can actually see the batteries of Z Trifold. Samsung will be using 3 batteries in the Z Trifold, and according to the numbering, T1 is the smallest battery where we can see along with the triple camera setup, T3 is second in the middle, and T2 is among the biggest battery out of all 3. The total capacity is not yet revealed, but according to battery numbers and one additional battery compared to the Z Fold 7 or book style foldable, I believe we are looking at least 5500 to 6000 mAh battery. That is just a wild guess, but surely bigger in size compared to the Z Fold 7 4400. And we can expect a 45 watt of fast charger, not just 25 watt like the Z Fold 7. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Until then, peace out.